just got home from the gym and I received this cute little package. So I'm gonna open it up and see what is inside. It says Jennifer's homemade breadsticks and flatbread on the outside of the box. Ooh, oh my gosh, what is this? Ooh, salt and pepper breadsticks. Rosemary breadsticks. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Original. I think there's 2 boxes of each, it looks like. Oh no, salt and pepper flatbread, rosemary flatbread, and original flatbread. Oh, this is so cute. I don't know what this is. Is it a hat? There's 4 of them. Oh my god, I know what they are. I bet it's something to put the snack into. Okay, I think I just figured it out. This is so cute, if this is what it is. Okay, let's try it. You see? Oh my god, that's totally what it is. You get a little snack bag. And then you can sit on the couch, and instead of having like a whole box, you put a few and a few of like whatever flavors. Now, the moment of truth. Are they good? Oh my god. Yeah, they're freaking delicious. Uh-huh. Mmm. These are really good. They taste kind of like sourdough. Man. They taste kind of like sourdough. Man. Oh my god. These are really, really good. Let's see. What are the ingredients? Unbleached wheat flour, water, extra virgin olive oil, yeast, rosemary, kosher salt, and sugar. These are really, really good. Portion of proceeds is donated to help end hunger. Certified woman-owned, made in the US. These are really cool. Snack, dip, entertain. Jennifer's homemade. Well, thank you, Jennifer. This is so sweet. I really do appreciate this. It was such a nice little gift to come home to. And I genuinely would buy this product. I am not just saying that because he sent it to me. This in the grocery store, I'd be stoked and I would buy it. Highly recommend. All right, I'm out. I am gonna eat this. Really good.